Thanks a lot for that, John Surratt. Today, we're looking at a lot of shower and thunderstorm activity, specifically in the morning and early afternoon, as we're going to be looking at some rain moving through our area shortly, if you're not already seeing it. If we get a look over in Princeton, you can see we're mainly cloudy starting out, not looking at a whole lot of rain, but you can see how those clouds are sort of low hanging and illuminated by those lights. That's going to be sort of what we're going to see heading into the second half of the morning, is a lot more cloud cover on deck. Let's get a look at the Doppler radar, because here in the two Virginias, most of us are quiet. We got a stray shower over in the Pineville area and a little storm popping up southwest of Welch and south of Tazewell. Got some more rain on deck as well. But if we zoom out, you can see this large area of rain showers and thunderstorms moving over parts of Kentucky. That's going to be moving off towards the east, meaning we're going to be seeing that within the next several hours. Zooming in a little closer on those storms, you can see just southwest of Welch, you're going to be looking at that little storm in McDowell County, as well as north of Grundy. We've got some storms moving into northern Buchanan County. That's going to be dropping some heavier rainfall and some lightning as well in some spots. Looking at temperatures starting out this morning, though, we're not too bad. A little warm. Many of us in the upper 60s and low 70s. Still above average for this time of year. But as we head into tonight, we're going to start out tomorrow on a cool note. Some of us will likely be in the 50s. Right now, we got 73 degrees over in Pineville, 70 in Welch. Here in Bluefield, 67, and then up towards Lewisburg and even 70 as well. As we look at the hourly temperatures for today, we're not going to be getting a whole lot warmer than what we're seeing right now. These temperatures will sort of bottom out and flatline over the next several hours. It's not going to be until about 11 or 12 that we'll start to see the temperatures rise just a little bit, only reaching up into the mid and low 70s this afternoon. Half of that's going to be thanks to the rain, and half of that's going to be thanks to the cold front that we saw yesterday. Now, speaking of the rain chances are going to be on the high side as we head into the weekend. Some great news for these dry crops and, of course, grass in our region, as we've been excessively dry with a moderate drought for many of us. Those showers and thunderstorms we're expecting over the weekend likely going to be doing a lot to help, and then the continued rain into next week will also be very welcome. In fact, we're going to have to watch out for Saturday. A marginal risk for excessive rainfall exists for a lot of our region, so we might see some localized flooding issues from any storms on Saturday, so stay weather aware. As we get a look at the futurecast, we're looking at that line of thunderstorms to start moving into our area sometime around 9 or 10 o'clock. And it's going to hold on to a little bit of energy, so it's going to be pretty stormy for the morning. And then into the afternoon, we look to see another line of storms starting to form, meaning we're going to be pretty stormy for the afternoon hours as well. It's not going to be until after 4 o'clock that we start to see these storms really taper off, giving us some drier conditions overnight. But heading into Friday, we're looking to see some isolated showers for the morning, and then the possibility of some more thunderstorms in the afternoon. As we look at the extended forecast after that, Saturday is looking to be a lot wetter than tomorrow is, so expect to see some pretty long lines of showers for our Saturday. And then into the weekend and the start of next week, we're not only going to be staying cool, but wet as well.